Welcome back, everyone. It was a pleasant start to the New Year's. We have had increasing clouds throughout the day. It's been dry today. There has been little to no wind in most locations, and it has been mild for a lot of us as well, with highs getting into the upper 30s, the 40s, and even the 50s in some locations. On the Opportunity Bank of Montana weather camera, there was a little bit of sunshine this morning, but the cloud cover has been increasing throughout the day. We do have overcast skies right now. In Great Falls, on the Great Falls Clinic iCam, we had sunshine earlier today, but it has been mostly cloudy to overcast for much of the afternoon and the evening. And we've actually been dealing with fog today in northeastern Montana, and that fog has been dense at times. Visibility is at a half-mile in Glasgow. Visibility has dropped in Havre as well, 6-mile visibility right now. And there's a dense fog advisory in effect for essentially all of eastern Montana, including Valley County and Phillips County through 11 a.m. tomorrow morning. Visibility below a mile is possible in dense fog, and this will be freezing fog as well, so roads may be slick in some areas tonight and tomorrow morning. Use extreme caution if you are going to be traveling anywhere. The cloud cover has been increasing throughout the day today, but it has been mostly dry throughout much of Montana. But there's a lot of moisture in the Pacific Northwest right now, and some of this moisture will be impacting Montana as we go through tonight and into tomorrow. Most of the precipitation that falls tonight and tomorrow is going to be west of the Continental Divide, but east of the Continental Divide, there are going to be some scattered rain, freezing rain and snow showers in north central Montana generally after midnight. Around the Helena area, rain showers are likely in the lower elevations tonight, potentially mixing in with a little bit of freezing rain and snow at times. While in the mountains, snow showers are likely overnight tonight. Most of that precipitation will be out of here by sunrise tomorrow morning. But as we go through tomorrow, some isolated rain, freezing rain, and snow showers will be possible, especially in the higher terrain. We're also going to have mostly cloudy to overcast skies throughout the day tomorrow. And tonight and tomorrow, there are going to be some areas of fog around, especially along the eastern half of the high line, with the densest fog expected in northeastern Montana. A winter weather advisory is in effect for portions of western Montana through midday tomorrow. A wintry mix of rain, freezing rain, and snow with up to 3 inches of snow accumulation, up to 1/10 of an inch of ice accumulation. This is where the worst impacts are going to be tonight and tomorrow from that disturbance. In central and north central Montana, minor ice and snow accumulations are possible in the lower elevations. For most of us, little to no snow and ice accumulation is expected. In the higher terrain, though, up to 3 inches of accumulation is possible through tomorrow evening. So at and above mountain pass level, roads may be slick in some areas tonight and tomorrow morning. So please use caution if you are going to be traveling in the higher terrain. As we go through tonight, we are going to have increasing wind in southern portions of north central Montana, and it will be breezy tonight along the Rocky Mountain front. Tomorrow, little to no wind in some areas, but along the Rocky Mountain front and out to I-15, as well as in and around Cascade County, Judith Basin County, and Choteau County. Breezy conditions are expected tomorrow. 10 to 25 mile per hour sustained winds with wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour possible at times. Then the wind will pick up even more as we head into the latter half of this weekend. Low temperatures tonight are going to be in the 20s and the 30s for a lot of us, but along the eastern half of the high line, low temperatures are going to be in the teens. Tomorrow, a mild day in a lot of locations with highs in the 40s and the low to mid 50s, but along the high line east of I-15, another chilly day with highs in the 20s and the 30s.